Today we're going to look at applying the distributive property to create equivalent expressions. When I think about the distributive property, I think about distributing, like when I hand out papers all the time, and it's kind of like taking something that I have a lot of and passing it out. So when I think of these, and I could already tell I have groups because it's in a parentheses, I literally see that I have 4 groups of 9g's minus 3, which is kind of like saying I have, and I'll think about it here. So if I have 4 groups of 9g minus 3, it's like saying I have 9g minus 3, and another 9g minus 3, another 9g minus 3, another 9g minus 3. Now I'm just repeating it 4 times. That's all this really tells you right here. So that's just the same number 4 times. It's just a way of taking this big thing and shortening it up. But when I think about, well, how many does that mean? Think about it as a visual. If I have this number 4 times, it's like repeatedly adding. It's like saying what is 9 times 4. And I can figure out what the total is by adding 9g plus 19, 18, 27, 36. So I have 36 g's all together. Or you can think of it as what is 9 times 4, 36g. Same thing with my minus 3's. If I have negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 6, negative 9, negative 12. That's the same thing as saying what is 4 times this number. 4 times 3 is 12, and I already know I have a negative sign. So distributing is just a very quick way of multiplying rather than adding it all out. So this is what it's going to look like on our exit ticket for right now. So I'm going to go straight to my number, and in my mind, I multiply those two. 9 times 4 is 36. G. 4 times 3 is 12. I know it's a negative, so negative 12. We'll try it with the next step. 8 times 9, 8 groups of 9. Well, that's 72. 8 groups of m. Well, that's only 8m. 8 m's. And again, the negative sign. That's my big key. Here, mentally, 7 groups of 5w, 35. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 groups of 9, 63. 3 groups of some negative number, negative a, so I have 3 of them. And I'm going to have negative 3a. 3 groups of 2, 6. So in your mind, you're really working on your multiplication to do this fast. It's much faster than writing it all out. And if you have a little trouble with your multiplication, just look at your multiplication facts. Hopefully this helps. This is applying the distributive property to make an equivalent expression. These two expressions are exactly equal to each other. Good luck.